Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a 78 F150 custom V8 4-speed. Pretty solid old truck. Does got some rust. It's got plenty of patina there. It's a project truck. Been sitting. Bought it off an estate sale. He had a whole group of extended cabs. I think I bought 3 of them from him. So roof all looks pretty good. Just faded and stuff. Like I said, the rust doesn't really start till the super cab and the box. That's some rust. Interior is original. It is complete. Here's a little rusty hole in the floor. Dash is cracked. Door panels are there. That one's broke. This one's a replacement one, I would guess, because it's black. 75 218. No idea on the mileage. No air. 4-speed truck. There's your back window. There's a little home, put a rear window in. Don't know what they were doing there. Been in the car business 37 years. I say that almost every day. Don't know what they were thinking. There's the rust over the rear quarters, and that's the worst rust. I don't know if I've ever seen rust that bad for a South Dakota truck back in the rear quarter there. Box is pretty good, except for a little bit of thin over here. But then in here, so I mean, a bunch of junk or gunk must have got up in there and just sat there and rotted away. So you'll need some box sides, and then the lower extended cab part for the rust repair. But pretty solid old truck for the most part. Definitely a project. Got some old gas in it right now. There, got a dent in that door right there. So does run, drive, will trailer load. 605-695-7391.